Today we're diving into 3 breakthroughs redefining what human-like tech actually means. AgiBot's LinkCraft platform that turns you into a robot director, Nike's Project Amplify, the first powered footwear system, and Figure AI's new generation of humanoids that move like us and work like us. Let's get into it. So first up, AgiBot out of Shanghai just launched something called LinkCraft, and it's kind of insane. It's a zero-code robot creation platform that lets anyone design robot performances just by uploading a video of human motion. You film yourself dancing, practicing martial arts, or even just waving, and LinkCraft's AI takes that clip, analyzes it, and transforms it into perfectly timed robot motion. No programming, no motion capture suits, no specialized gear. The company's co-founder, Jui Peng, put it best: simply upload a video of human movements, and LinkCraft handles the rest. Behind the scenes, it's running on AI motion capture, intelligent retargeting algorithms, and a cloud-based imitation learning framework. The robot doesn't just mimic, it learns from the footage and generates control strategies for its body. They're already talking about taking it down to the micro level, eventually teaching robots fine motor control right down to individual fingers. So yeah, we're heading toward humanoids that can not only dance but also play instruments or fold origami with precision. But LinkCraft isn't just motion. It's also got voice performance, and this is where it starts feeling like movie production. You can upload your own audio, record directly on the site, or let AI synthesize a voice for you. The system analyzes tone, emotion, and rhythm, syncing everything with facial expressions and body movement so the robot talks like a person, complete with eye and lip coordination. You can pick the tone, gender, even the personality of the voice, whether it's calm, expressive, or theatrical. And they didn't stop there. LinkCraft lets you orchestrate entire robot stories. Think of it like a film editor, but for robot actions. You can string together multiple scenes, choreograph transitions, and mix movements, sounds, and expressions all on a timeline. It's frame-by-frame control, letting you direct emotional sequences or coordinated performances. And if you've got multiple robots, you can make them all perform together thanks to the group control system. One click, and each robot follows its own programmed behavior, complete with distinct voices and actions, like your own synchronized troupe. To speed things up, AgiBot added a massive material library, over 180 standardized action sets across 11 different use cases and 140 expression templates. Users can remix, share, or publish their own moves to the platform. Right now, LinkCraft works with the AgiBot X2, which is already shipping in the thousands this year, with plans to expand to the smaller AgiBot A2. The X2s are popping up everywhere, in retail stores, on stage, even in classrooms, turning humanoid robots from tech demos into actual working performers. The public beta's live now at linkcraft.agibot.com, and honestly, it feels like the first step toward creative robotics for everyone. Now, while AgiBot's teaching robots how to move like us, Nike's working on making us move better. They've just unveiled Project Amplify, the world's first powered footwear system for running and walking. It's designed for everyday athletes, basically anyone who wants to go faster or farther without feeling wiped out. The tech enhances your natural leg and ankle movement using a small, lightweight motor, a drive belt, and a rechargeable cuff battery that connects to a carbon fiber-plated shoe. It's kind of like an e-bike for your legs, helping you cover more ground with less effort. Nike says the goal isn't to make elite runners faster, but to make running and walking easier and more fun for everyone else, especially people pacing around 10 to 12-minute miles. Some early testers even said wearing Amplify makes uphill runs feel like flat ground. That's not just hype. It's backed by data from over 400 athletes who together took 2.4 million steps, equivalent to 12,000 laps around Nike's 200-meter track. They've gone through 9 hardware versions, each iteration refining different parts of the system. Nike's partnering with robotics company Defi on this, and their VP of Emerging Sport and Innovation, Michael Donoghue, says the idea started with one question: what if your shoes could give you a little more power, just enough to make movement more fun? He compared it to the moment when Nike's co-founder Bill Bowerman poured rubber into a waffle iron, a mix of wild creativity and practical design that redefined footwear. Project Amplify does the same thing, but with robotics and AI built into your stride. The system's still in testing, But Nike plans a broader consumer launch once performance readiness is nailed down. They see it as part of a bigger push, joining other new innovations in apparel, cooling, and even mind science. It's all about one idea: giving athletes, and Nike defines athlete as anyone with a body, a bit more power to move. And then there's the third piece of the puzzle: Figure AI's Figure 03, the latest humanoid robot making headlines this week. In their new 6-minute demo video, this bot does everything from folding laundry and loading the dishwasher to clearing a coffee table and working a reception desk. It even tosses a ball for a dog, and the motion looks surprisingly fluid, like it's just another coworker or roommate helping out. The Figures 03 is built from the ground up for mass production, powered by the company's Helix Vision Language Action AI. It's got 3D vision and fingertip sensors sensitive enough to detect forces as light as 3 grams. The frame's lighter, wrapped in soft materials, and designed with built-in safety systems so it can work around humans comfortably. At their new BotQ facility, Figure's ramping up production, 12,000 units per year to start, aiming for 100,000 within 4 years. The video's narrated like a short documentary, showing how far we've come from lab prototypes to machines ready for homes and workplaces. Put it all together: AgiBot giving us creative control over robot performances, Nike blending robotics with human movement, and Figure AI building humanoids that can live and work beside us. And it's pretty clear, 2025 isn't just about smarter machines. It's about movement itself, becoming something we can design, amplify, and share. That's it for now. Tech that moves with us, tech that moves like us, and maybe soon, tech that moves for us.